Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 BMW M2. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle integrates style and innovative design into a smaller than expected package. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3-liter 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. BMW prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by heated door mirrors, rain-sensing wipers, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a 20 gigabyte hard drive, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.